Hey foodies, I've got a real cheesy recipe for you. That's mascarpone cheese, and it's really easy to make. And all we have to do is start with our whipping cream, and we're gonna heat that to 90 degrees Celsius. And you wanna heat that on a medium to low heat so it heats really slowly. So we'll check back when it hits 90. See you in a moment. Look at that. Came to 90 degrees. It's plenty warm. So I'm going to take my lemon juice and I'm going to get this stirring up really well. And then I'm going to pour the lemon juice in, give it one last stir. And I'm going to cover this until it is absolutely cool. Room temperature, which is probably going to take about an hour to an hour and a half. So I'll come right back and we'll see it in just a moment. So it's been a while. I ended up putting mine in an ice bath. So just a bowl with some ice and a bit of water, and then I just set it down in it. It cooled it down really quickly. It's thickened up really nicely. And no, it's not cheese yet. It's almost there. So we take our a measuring cup, and I've got a clean tea towel. You definitely want a clean one. You don't want to use one from the stove or anything like that. And I'm going to pour this in. And you can see it's already thickened up considerably. Okay. It's looking good so far. And it's probably going to drop down to the bottom, and that's okay. So what we're doing is we're straining off extra liquid. Now, if we were to strain this when it was still hot, it would have just run right through, and you would have had a real mess. And you wouldn't have been able to salvage as much cheese or thickened cream as you wanted. So I'm going to fold this all up ever so nicely, and golly, there's nothing coming through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to elastic this onto my measuring cup without it touching the bottom. And the reason for that is you want it to strain off any excess whey. And I think a third. Oh my god. There we go. So you can just start to see little bits of drips coming through. So I'm going to let this sit overnight for about 8 to 10 hours, and I'm going to get back to this tomorrow morning, and we're going to have a finished mascarpone cheese. See you tomorrow. It's been 10 hours or so. I'm excited, and you can see there's quite a bit of liquid in the bottom that's drained off, which is really good. And I'm going to take the elastic band off. There we go. And then we're going to open it up and see. So I'll set that aside because we don't need that anymore. Oh yes, look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks like cheese. It's almost like cream cheese, but it's got a really, really nice flavor. I can smell it right now. It smells so good. Okay. So I'm going to just pop this into a container. I've got a container right here. Let's see. I'll just plop. Look at that. And I'm going to save some of this extra stuff. That's great. So this mascarpone can be used in all kinds of things. It really makes a lot of dishes a lot richer because it's like a condensed whipping cream. You can add it to lasagnas, pastas like cream sauce pastas, all kinds of things like that. I mean, your imagination is really your only limit. I want to add this to a Papa ice cream, which is going to be coming up in the next video, which I'm really excited about. So I want to give this a try just to make sure it tastes good, because you have to taste these things and make sure. Yeah. Oh my god. It is so creamy. And a little bit does go a long way. Wow, that's good. You should give mascarpone cheese a try. It's really easy and it's great. Thanks for watching.